package. Alright, let's check it out. What did you do, doggy? Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is actually take 2 because the camera died after 4 minutes of take 1. This is actually from Army Navy Outdoors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety on their store website. Again, Army Navy Outdoors. And let's get to it. We have a manifest, and real brief, that's how it's spelled out. And in the manifest, they tend to, they give you pictures of the items to help you identify what's in there. Let's get you out of the way. Don't want to sound too rushed, but I'm kind of concerned that the camera might die again. So, first item we had out of the bag is a Army issue ACU jacket, military surplus, large regular. And we're going over its features real quick. Mandarin collar, collar tag, large tag on the interior. Typical. A lot of Velcro. And again, this is used, so we have a name tape, rank, and name tape. This was Army branch tape, sorry. Mandarin collar that secures with Velcro, like so, binds and secures. Plasticized zipper, 3 Velcro points over the zipper. 2 front slash pockets, Velcro closed, not very deep as you can see, size wise, symmetrical, left and right, and then we got shoulder pockets, no patches over them. We do have the IR, squares on each. Cuffs. Actually, reinforced elbows. See right there. Cuffs are 2 buttonhole, and they button on the inside, like so. So no exposed button, but it does end up on the inside of your cuff. No lower pockets. When you look at the back, bellows are on the sides. So again, ACU jacket. Set that to the side. Alright, let's get to the next items. So, if I grab the right one here, military issue 3-color Desert M65 field jacket. Surplus grade 1. Get this open. A lot of tape here. Okay. Wow, I really tape this one really well. Alright, get you out of the bag. It's pretty heavy duty. So again, 3-color Desert. Looks like we got a hood under zipper here. Nice. 3-color hood. Does have drawstrings. Looks like we have Mandarin collar that can't be Velcroed shut. Let's go. Snap closures over the zipper. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Zipper with a big zipper pull. Buttons for another liner. Actually, this is the liner, isn't it? Nope. Just feels like it. Okay, here's our tag. A lot of care instructions. Buttons on this side for the liner, 3 down that way, 2 at the collar, 3 more down that side, drawstrings on the inside. This is basically just a covering on the interior, so this can actually take another liner, shoulder epaulettes, got them on both sides. Top and lower pockets, snap closure. They all work. Nothing on the frisk. Normal elbows. Looks like a Velcro closure on the cuffs. Simple. Look at the back. Bellows on the sides. There's our drawstring under that area. And drawstring on the hem as well. Nice. So we have a waist drawstring and lower hem drawstring. So again, 3-color desert. Okay, next item. USMC. Desert MARPAT Pant military surplus. I must say, they really tape this stuff up quite well. Oh, smokes. That's a lot of tape. The opening. A little OCD on opening bags, as you can see, but I might just have to rip open on this one. Oh, there we go. Some tape stuck to my thumb. Give me a second. Alright, so again, Desert MARPAT pants, button fly, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top. Let's see, tag wise, there's our size tag. And then inside we have 2 more tags. Trouser Desert MARPAT camouflage MCCUU. These are from American Apparel. And then on this tag is the insect guard instructions for care. Looks like we got some scribble markings on there as well. Pocket-wise slash pockets. No closure. In the front. So we got a name tape on the back pocket. Rave. So I got some rave pants. Nice. Cargo pockets. Button closure. Elasticized at the top. No stain, no biggie. Bellows bottom. Slight bellows on the outer edge, but not the inner edge. Typical. It doesn't feel like reinforced knees, and nothing special about the cuffs at the bottom hem. Similar cargo pocket. A single button. Elasticized. If we look at a number of belt loops, 2 at the front, 2 at the sides of the waist, 2 more at the back, and then 1 in the middle. We do have rear pockets, 2 buttons each, and reinforced bottom. And that's about it for these. Alright, let's move on to 2 more items. ACU Army issue. Reading reading off the manifest. Pant used surplus. This one says government issue used surplus ACU pants, medium regular. Again, the tape. Find the opening here. Okay. Pretty good match for the other top there. Button fly. We got 4 buttons. Drawstring. Let's double check this. There's a drawstring on this one. Nope. Okay. There's already a difference there. Okay, drawstring. Let's cover the belt loops real quick. 2 front, 2 side, 2 in the back and 1 in the middle. Slash pockets. Cargo pockets at a diagonal offset. Bellows. Side bellows, outer. It's supposed to have drawstring on the pocket, drawstring on the other pocket. We do have a low, does feel like a reinforced knee area, and we do have a lower cargo pocket as well. Small Velcro closure. And also this side as well. So 2 pockets on the legs, drawstrings on the cuffs. Flip it over real quick. Reinforced bottom. Symmetrical rear pockets, 2 pockets, 2 buttons each, sorry. Pretty cool. Let's get to the last item, get this box out of the way. We've got USMC issue MARPAT Desert Digital Shirt Military Surplus. That's their label. Surplus government issue USMC and MARPAT Desert Digital Blouse. A lot of tape on this as well. Smokes, really tape this stuff up. Alright. Really nice. Really nice. Okay, we got the Marine Corps American Apparel logo right on the collar. I guess you could fold it off the Mandarin style, but it is a traditional shirt collar. 1 button. 2 buttons. 3. Oh, come on. I think there was 1 that was not buttoned. So we'll give it a total count when we're done opening this up. Okay. Buttons. Let's see how many buttons we got here. Okay. 1, 2. Hey there, just continuing the last bit of this Army Navy Outdoors unboxing. Fortunately, camera died yet again. We are looking at the last item, the USMC issue MARPAT Desert Digital Shirt. 5 buttons up and down. Marine Corps logo. Inner tag for the perimeter insect guard. Sizing tag, description tag. Nothing on the shoulders. We do have the U.S. Marine branch. Tape. Doesn't appear to be any name tape. Velcro on the upper pockets. Again, 5 button. We have the embroidered USMC logo. The globe anchor and the eagle. No lower pockets. Pockets are at a slight diagonal. We do have shoulder pockets, 2 buttons each, reinforced elbows, inner buttoned 2 buttonhole cuffs, symmetrical. I don't see any drawstrings. Maybe flip it over real quick. No actual bellows. So we're just going to re-summarize for those who stuck around here. Reversed, we're at the USMC issue MARPAT Desert Digital Shirt, military surplus. ACU Army issue Pant, used surplus. USMC Desert MARPAT Pant, military surplus. Military issue 3-color Desert M65 field jacket. Army issue ACU jacket, military surplus. Again, these all came from Army Navy Outdoors. If you're here, check them out. We also do other unboxing videos, show and tell videos, more specific, vintage, milsurp, tool type items. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching and sticking around. See you next time.